How to cancel Grok AI or X Premium subscription? Thinking about canceling your Grok AI or X Premium plan? Here's exactly how you can do it smoothly. First, start by opening x.com and heading to your profile menu. Click on Premium or Premium Plus, then choose Manage Subscription. You'll be redirected to your subscription settings, where you'll see options to cancel plan or turn off auto renew. If you subscribe through mobile, open your device's App Store subscription page. Your billing may be managed there instead. Once you confirm cancellation, you'll still have access until your current billing period ends, so you won't lose any remaining time. If you are only canceling because of cost, try switching to Premium Plus to the regular premium tier for a cheaper and alternative while keeping Grok access. Are you planning to cancel or just exploring your options? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can cancel Grok AI or X Premium subscription. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.